What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy Spank the World, and today I'm coming back at y'all with another video on my 2007 Chevy Tahoe. Today I'm going to be removing and replacing the stock or factory tail lights, which I told y'all in the last video I was going to get around to doing that. So today I'm going to be doing that for you guys today. But before I get to doing that, I want to hope everybody having a beautiful day, out enjoying this day. If y'all can, do me a favor, if it ain't too much trouble, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Right now I'm over Mom Duke's house, seeing what she up to. That's Mom Duke. Say hi to YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
She over here watching the game.
I don't know what I'm watching.
You watching the Ravens and the Titans. Yeah, the Browns probably play this evening. Or they might have a bye. I ain't sure. Playoffs. That was good. But let me make this camera do what it do, y'all. Get this thing turned around and get started on these tail lights. Okay guys, first I'm gonna show you guys how I look, you know, stock or factory. Just give y'all a quick look how I look like this. The two factory ones. I'm really just getting rid of them because I don't want the red. So that's factory or stock. So let me get this camera set up and show you guys the process. Okay, so real quick guys, I'm going to show you guys which tail lights I went with. So let me get this camera turned around and show y'all which ones I went with. Clear lenses with the black housings, and I believe these tail lights are actually on the 2015 model, if I'm mistaken. These, I got these off of Amazon. No, yeah, I got these off Amazon.com, but you can get them off Amazon or eBay. They come from a company called Spider. So if you're interested, just go to their company or go to Amazon or eBay. A lot of people be going with the Cadillac ones, which I think those nice and whatnot, but me personally, I don't believe they belong on a Chevy or a GMC. I mean, they Cadillac taillights. So me personally, I just believe they belong on a Cadillac. They nice and I like them, but in my humble opinion, I think they belong on a Cadillac. But so these the ones I went with, and let me get this thing set up so I can show y'all the process. First of all, these gonna be the tools you guys will need. Just a Phillips screwdriver and a little clip prior, or whatever they call this little plastic light tool that probably clips off or tail lights or whatever. But them the only couple tools you'll need. So you want to lift your tailgate. And you will end up having a screw here and a Phillips screw here. So on each side, them the only two screws you got to remove. Fill up here and fill up here. On each side, them the only two screws you got to remove. Now you also gonna have to go up under each tail light, and right up under each tail light, the lights are connected. So you will have to get down under there and disconnect each tail light, which I'm not about to get down there right now. So y'all just gonna have to take my word for it. So you get down there and disconnect the tail lights before you unscrew them and remove them. So now that I told y'all what all you need to do, the simple steps: fill up, get down, unplug them. Now I can take those steps, and then I'll get the camera turned back on and show y'all what else I do. Okay guys, so I got the tail lights removed. I got both tail lights removed, as you guys can see. I removed them with my Phillips screwdriver and my panel popper. And since I had them both removed, I did take a microfiber rag and wipe behind there. Why not? And then once you guys remove the OEM tail lights, remember, you guys will have to remove your parking lights. You guys will have to reuse your parking light bulbs in your new tail lights. So these two bulbs here, you will have to use in your new tail lights. So let me transfer these bulbs over to the new tail lights, and then I'm gonna get this thing buttoned up and let you guys check it out. Okay guys, so I finally got done with the tail lights. I got Mom Dukes in there about to start it up and hit the brakes and the blinkers and whatnot, so you guys can see exactly how they look. The brakes, Ma. Hit the blinkers. All right, hit the other one. Put your foot on the brake and put it in reverse. All right, you shut it off. So there you have it, guys. Wasn't that hard, you know, like with everything. Ran into a couple problems, but it wasn't much, and got it done. And my opinion, it looked a lot better than just the red. I like it much better, so I'm pleased with it. And like I said, you guys can go to Amazon or eBay and get the tail lights off of there. And but like I say, I like it. Turned out pretty good, and I'm pleased with it. And I also have those the factory ones that came out. I don't need them, so if anybody need the factory ones, just comment below. You can have them. I don't need them. But that's gonna be it for now, YouTube. Thanks for watching, and if you can, if it ain't too much trouble, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.